Why is Range Rover so expensive? Did you know that some Range Rovers can cost over $200,000? That's more than many luxury sports cars. But here's the crazy part. People still line up to buy them. So what makes a Range Rover so expensive? Is it just a fancy badge? Or are you actually getting something special for all that money? Today, we're breaking down exactly why Range Rovers cost so much, where your money goes, and whether they're actually worth it. Pause. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love cars and want to understand what makes certain vehicles so expensive, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Range Rover. We'll look at the luxury features, engineering, technology, brand value, and even some hidden costs that many buyers don't think about. And stick around until the end because I'll tell you whether I think a Range Rover is actually worth the price in 2026. Let's get started. Section 1. IT starts with the brand. The first reason Range Rover is expensive is simple. The brand itself. Range Rover has built a reputation over decades as a luxury status symbol. For many buyers, owning a Range Rover isn't just transportation. It's a statement. Think about it. Celebrities, athletes, business executives, and even royalty have driven Range Rovers. That image creates demand. And when people are willing to pay more for a brand, prices go up. It's similar to luxury watches. A luxury watch and a regular watch both tell time. But one carries prestige. Range Rover does the same thing in the automotive world. Pause. The company knows its customers aren't just buying a vehicle. They're buying an experience and a status symbol. Section 2. The materials are extremely premium. Once you step inside a Range Rover, you quickly see where some of that money goes. The interior is packed with premium materials. We're talking about soft leather seats, real wood trim, aluminum accents, high-end fabrics, advanced ambient lighting. Many luxury SUVs use synthetic materials in hidden areas. Range Rover often uses premium materials throughout the cabin. The seats are designed for long-distance comfort. Some models offer heated, cooled, and massage functions. You also get a quiet cabin thanks to advanced sound insulation. At highway speeds, the interior feels more like a private jet than an SUV. Pause. All those materials and comfort features add significant cost. Section 3. Advanced engineering and technology. Now let's talk about the technology. This is where things get really expensive. Range Rover combines luxury with serious engineering. Many models include adaptive air suspension, four-wheel steering, terrain response systems, advanced driver assistance features, massive touchscreen displays. The air suspension alone is incredibly sophisticated. It can raise or lower the vehicle depending on driving conditions. On the highway, it improves comfort. Off-road, it increases ground clearance. And that's another thing many people forget. Unlike some luxury SUVs, Range Rover is genuinely capable off-road. It can handle mud, snow, sand, and rocky terrain while keeping passengers comfortable. Essentially, you're getting two vehicles in one. A luxury sedan and an off-road SUV. That engineering doesn't come cheap. Quick question. If money wasn't an issue, would you buy a Range Rover? Let me know in the comments. And if you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe. We post new car content every week, and it really helps support the channel. Now let's keep going. Section 4. Limited production and hand-built details. Another reason for the high price is production volume. Range Rover doesn't build vehicles in the same numbers as brands like Toyota or Honda. Lower production means higher costs per vehicle. Many parts are more specialized. Quality control standards are higher. Some assembly processes involve significant manual labor. There are also extensive customization options. Buyers can choose unique colors, materials, wheels, trims, and interior finishes. The more customization you offer, the more expensive production becomes. Luxury buyers expect personalization. And Range Rover delivers it. Section 5. the hidden costs most people ignore. Here's the part many buyers don't think about: ownership costs. A Range Rover isn't just expensive to buy. It can also be expensive to maintain. Luxury parts cost more. Repairs can cost more. Insurance is often higher. Even routine maintenance can be significantly more expensive than mainstream SUVs. This doesn't necessarily mean Range Rovers are bad vehicles. It's simply the reality of owning a high-end luxury product. The purchase price is only part of the story. The long-term cost matters too. Pause. And smart buyers always factor that into their decision. Conclusion. So why is Range Rover so expensive? It comes down to 5 major factors: luxury branding, premium materials, advanced technology, specialized engineering, and limited production. Add all of that together, and it's easy to see why these SUVs command such high prices. My opinion? If you want one of the most luxurious SUVs on the market, and you can comfortably afford the ownership costs, a Range Rover can be an incredible vehicle. But if you're stretching your budget just to get the badge, there are other luxury SUVs that may offer better value. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. And tell me in the comments, would you buy a Range Rover, or would you choose something else? In the next video, we're going to reveal the real cost of owning a luxury SUV over 5 years, and some of the numbers might shock you. I'll see you in the next one.